In this video, you will learn how to create a timeline for project management in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have generated this timeline for project management. This timeline shows the activities of project management as well as the dates of that particular activities. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. To generate a timeline, you have to need a data about the dates as well as activities. Position data is not required for timeline. This is required for timeline chart. If you want to learn about timeline chart, then separate video tutorials are available on our channel. In this tutorial, I will only focus on timeline. To create a timeline in Microsoft Excel, go to Insert option, and under Insert option, you will find the option of Illustrations. Click on this arrow sign. You will find multiple options, and at the corner you will find the option of Smart Art. Select this option. A pop-up window will be appeared. From here you will find multiple options. Choose Process, and if I scroll down, here you will find different options. This is the circle timeline and this is the basic timeline. I will stick with this one. After selecting this, simply click on OK, and Microsoft Excel will generate a timeline chart. Now I will place it here. Remember that if you want to move this one, then place your cursor at these lines. When 4 arrow sign appeared here, then you can move it in any direction. Additionally, you can use these handles to resize it. After doing that, I will format it according to my choice. After selecting this one, here you will find the option of arrow sign. Click on this option and you can edit this text using these options. Click here. First one shows the ideation. I will write ideation. You can also write down the date, which is the 1/1/22. Currently, you can see here this text is changed now. Simply click on next one and it indicates design. I will write design. Now I will write date. Click on third one. Currently you can see here we have only 3 bullet points, but I want to display the data of 5 bullet points. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click here. Select any bullet point. For example, I want to insert a bullet point next to this one. To insert bullet point after design, I will select design option. Place your cursor here at the end of this text and simply press enter. Microsoft Excel will insert another bullet point. Similarly, if I want to add another bullet point after this one, last one, I will select this one and press enter. It will insert another bullet point. Now I will edit this one. Second one shows the prototype. Date is 3/1/22. Select next one. It shows the pre-production. Insert the date. Select last one and write post-production. Insert date. Now you can see here we have completed the formatting of this text. Again click here. Now you will learn how to format this text. Click on this chart area. Select all these text. And from here you can format it. For example, I want to bold them. You can even change their color. Now you will learn how to format this shape. Simply select this one. Now you can see here we have only selected this shape. After selecting this, go to format option. And from here you will find the option of shape fill. Select this one. And you can select any shape. For example, I will choose green color. Similarly, if you want to insert a border around this shape, go to shape outline option, and from here you can choose black color. If you want to format these circles, select this one, and from here you can select any shape fill. For example, I will choose red one, and from shape outline you can insert a border around this circle. Similarly, select second circle and you can format it according to your requirement. You can repeat this procedure for remaining circles. Again, I will select this shape, and here you will find the option of Smart Art Design. Select this one, and from here there is the option of Smart Art Style. Choose this one. You can even format this shape according to 3D style. For example, if I choose this one, you can see here it is converted to 3D style. You can even move these circles. Currently you can see here these are evenly distributed. If you want to make it more realistic, for example, if you have data about first month, then third month, then fourth month, then you can also move the circles. Simply select this one, place your cursor at the line. When 4 arrow sign appeared, you can move it in any direction. Similarly, select text, place your cursor at these lines. When 4 arrow sign appeared, you can move it in any direction. So it will make more realistic. Now after selecting this timeline area, go to format option, and under format option you will find the option of size. Click here, and from here you can adjust the height and width of this picture. For example, if I change to 3, you can see here the dimension of picture is changed now. Similarly, if I go to Smart Art Design, here you will find the option of convert to shape. You can convert this image to shape. Click here, and this image is converted to shape. You can move the whole picture now. So by following this tutorial, you can easily generate a timeline chart in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.